Good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everybody.
Everybody. Good morning. It's our day 2. Say
Good
day.
morning, everybody. Good afternoon.
Day 2 namin sa Manila. Punta kami sa parents-in-law sa Cavite, sa parents ni Jan, to visit them. Tapos si Jan magpapacheck up kasi masakit yung tainga niya. Parang may ear infection siya. So yun, punta rin ng Cavite, right kuya?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Paz Airport.
Not an airport. Where are we going?
Paz
Paz. Where is it?
Airport.
In Cavite. Say Cavite. Cavite.
Ow.
Hi Holly. Hi. It's very hot. Siyempre. Ano pa ba? Tsaka, ayan, traffic.
Bus. Where that
Super
yellow?
traffic. So yun yan.
Yeah.
Punta kami ng Cavite. So we'll see you in a bit.
Mom put you in the back home.
Also in traffic. You said Despicable Me.
I touched it on the bus. Yes.
Bored yung mga bat. Bored na sila kasi super traffic. Sabi ni Kuya, mga 1 hour daw ang biyahe namin. Renent na lang namin siya for 1,000. Pupunta Cavite from Makati. So yeah. Kasi kung magbabas pa kami, napaka-hassle for the kids. Pupunta pa ng Baclaran, ang init-init. So kaya, pinantrata na lang namin si Kuya. So yan, traffic. Si Kuya inaantok na. Si Sak ini-enjoy ang traffic. Are you enjoying the traffic, Sak?
Skyway na tayo, mama.
Okay po.
Medyo traffic eh. Depende na lang yung pagtaka na natin.
Pardon me po? Ano po yung mag-skyway na raw kami. See yung traffic? Oh, apa.
It's getting worse and worse. Philippines traffic. Like 10 years ago, it wasn't this bad, was it?
You get a possible number and then use
Like when I first come over here, it was never like this.
solution this traffic.
Yeah.
Dito bara-bara ang ang pag-drive, singit doon, singit dito. 40. 45. Isa, parang matutulog na rin. Are you tired? Oh, the sun. I know. It's really hot. Nagreklamo na siya. It's really hot daw. And si Holly nakatulog na rin. Tulog na rin yung mga bata. Init dun kay Kuya, oh.
Like all these buildings, like Asia Mall, all that, it's all built on water.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Tulog na sila. Ang init. Sobrang init. Traffic. Nagutom na ako. Sana nagluto si Mang na Filipino food. Ayan, pangatlo na namin tong tollway.
Yes.
Yung una 20, tapos ngayon 42 na naman yung babayad. Kanina 42, tapos ngayon 24. So pangatlo na to, tatlong tollway na yung nadaan.
What's that?
Oh,
A toll?
gising na si Kuya. It's not a pole, Kuya. It's
I thought it was a toll.
no, it's not. It's ano po tawag doon?
It looks blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Nagising na siya. Another toll. Toll. Magbabayad na naman kayo ng tollway. Kinuha ni Daddy yung binigay niyang isang lang kay TJ. bayad dyan sa kanya sa pagmassage.
Good
No.
boy, buddy. I'll pay you back.
Pang-apat na namin tong tollway. So naubusan na siya dyan ng barya. Kinuha niya yung kay TJ na binayad niya nung minasahe siya.
Maybe 105.
Interest? $105 dad. Si Sak tulog pa rin, tsaka si Howie. So you have to pay here, Kuya, when you come here to
I thought there
maintain
was
the...
only one on the way out here.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Akala niyo raw isa lang yung tollway.
Dad,
I reckon that's a new one, isn't it? What?
I think so. Is it bago ba, Kuya, yun?
No.
yeah, it's a money.
Yung tollway dito, Kuya, bago yun? Bago yun? Hindi ako pinapansin ni Kuya. Hindi niya ako naririnig. So yung pang-apat na. Last na natin yung Kuya na pang-toll. Oh, last na raw namin yung na-toll. So yan, dire-diretso na kami sa Imo Bacoor, Cavite. Kuya, look kuya, oh. There's Ferris wheel. Parang, see that? The little Ferris wheel? Parang may piyesta dito. Nakita niyo ba? Parang hindi. Ayun, oh. Wow.
That's a shell.
Yeah.
Mom.
There's a carousel
I
as well.
didn't know there's a show here.
Yeah, they do. They have lots of show here.
Used to go on it
Yeah, when we were young.
when we were boys.
Mm.
SM Imus.
Box.
SM Imus.
Imus o Bacoor? Bacoor.
Bacoor.
SM.
Yes. Naghanap kayo ng mas.
Emos.
Imus.
Salamat.
Salamat po. Magtatanong kayo kung saan may shortcut kasi
Ay, sa kabila.
para mabilis ang takbo namin. Para
All
makarating
them
na kami sa...
mussels sitting out in the sun. All day.
I know, it's gonna be dead. Yung ano, yung nagtitinda ng ano, seafoods, ang init daw sabi ni Jan. It's not good na raw. Oh well, Philippines. Ayan na kuya, do you wanna go there kuya? No, not that one kuya. There's a better one here that we can go. Wow. Cut daw to, pero traffic din. Kasi para siyang palengke. Jollibee. Palengke siya. Wet market. Tapos mga ukay-ukay. Ayan. Free traffic. Zachary still asleep and Holly. Kuya
When we get
is
there, babe, go in the
awake.
motorbike.
What's that, Bab?
When we go in the motorbike.
Are you going motorbike?
When we go into Dad's.
Oh yeah, we have to
You
catch
won't- they won't even ask.
tricycle.
They won't- Yeah, like this.
Yeah, the tricycle.
They won't even ask where we're going to go. You're already
Yeah, they know it. Pagbaba namin dito, sasakay pa kami ng tricycle papunta dun sa bahay ni Mom and Dad. Yeah, medyo... Is it close now, huh? Is it near?
We have to pass SM, yeah.
Ah, yeah. Dadaan pa muna. Dadaanan daw
SM, and
namin.
then we need there's a big God statue on the left. Keep going a bit more.
Yeah, dadaan pa. Tapos pag nadaanan daw namin yung SM, malapit na
It's
daw
like
kami.
it's on the main road to go to Gaytime.
Main road.
Yeah, go
I don't
past
know.
SM.
You tell the taxi driver, I don't know her. Si Jan ang nagtuturo ng direction kasi alam niya na papunta dito. Hindi ako, wala akong alam, hindi ko lang alam. Hindi nga lahat. Nawawala pa rin ako doon. Kasi ako si Kuya, yun. Are you enjoying this ride, Kuya? Ha? Oo daw, tao lang siya ng tao. Traffic officer, traffic enforcer. Sige, dito. Nag-snore si Sarah. Kapit na kami. Andito na yung SM Bacoor. So pag nalampasan namin to, malapit na kami. Ayan na yung SM Bacoor. Ang tirik ng araw. Oh. Hanap ni Jan yung statue ni Papa Jesus o kaya ni Mama Mary. Yun ang palatandaan niya na malapit na kami. That one.
Who's that?
That one.
Papa Joe's?
Yeah, Papa Jesus. Nandun. That's a cemetery, I think. Is it, Kuya?
I don't know.
I'm not sure. Hindi yung palatandaan niya. So, malapit na raw kami. Tapos
Might be a
noon,
house, eh?
mag-tricycle pa kami.
Yeah, I remember that big wall.
Ini-explain niya kung
Yeah.
hinahanap niya yung mga palatandaan. May pink building daw. The shop.
Yeah, I know its name.
What's the Shells? Oh, the gasoline station.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Traffic.
Think 7-Eleven.
Yeah, that is a.
Left.
Yeah.
On the left side.
I don't think you can get the wall there.
May 7-Eleven daw.
Easy for you, then you just turn around and come out.
So siya nga dumabikit ko. Tinuturo niya kung saan kami bababa.
I will be hot stuff.
Hmm? Is he allowed to U-turn to turn here?
Yeah, well, Mum and Dad going there.
Okay. Oh, is that the pink? It's not pink, honey.
Oh, well, that's what it looks like more. It's not pink. But
It's like light brown building. So wake up now.
I
We're
can
here now.
just see a motorbike.
Yeah, Holly still sleep. Ayan, liliko na kami dito. Tapos we will catch a
I see a
tricycle.
motorbike.
There, we're gonna catch tricycle.
he's not coming.
Yeah. Okay.
You can pull up here, we get motorbikes. So. And then you don't, I don't know, they know where to go. I get lost in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will catch tricycle. Hey, Sa, can you move there? Can you sit there?
Here.
Sa, sit
That's
over
good.
there, Sa.
Sit there, Zach.
Maybe sit.
Sit there. Sit there. Over.
Ah, okay.
And
Bye,
Kuya,
bye, bye.
Kuya, move please. Can you get my bag hand first, please? Thank you. Wait, give it to me. Put it there, Han. So now we are in the tricycle. We got tricycle to go to Mom and Dad's house. Sat, say hi. Ang init. Ang init, Kuya. Can you hold my bag, Sat? Hold my bag. Thank you, Kuya. can you get this bag, please?